Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro and let me share with you how to use Ultra Battery Saver mode in this device. So let's be honest, I'm pretty sure that all of us encountered this situation when we need our device to work for at least 1, 2 or 3 more hours, but we are running out of battery, and for example we've got only 15% and we know that it won't last that long. In that case, I highly recommend to use something which is called Ultra Power Saving Mode. So let me show it to you. Let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll and find the option which is called battery, obviously, and here we've got the option current mode. So let's tap. At the bottom we've got the option Ultra Battery Saver, so let's tap on it. And here we've got, of course, the explanation what this saver will actually do. So for sure it will restrict most features, like for example animations or I don't know, different colors, etc. It will decrease the performance in order to leave the basic functionality. So for example, if you need the device to only call, to be able to call or send a text message, then this mode is the best. Thanks to restricting all of these things, your device will work as long as possible. So your device will ask you also if you wish to turn on the battery saver, so just tap on OK. And now we have to wait until our device will restrict everything. So as you can see, right now it is restricting everything one by one, and it worked, right? Obviously our device will immediately black out if not in use, because it will save the battery. Let me enter the screen lock. We cannot, we can change the screen brightness, and here we've got the information for how long this device will work. So as you can see, it's 58 hours. So it's an extreme, I would say, especially nowadays. And as it was said, your device will leave only those functions which are essential, so calling, texting, and the access to the contacts. Here, of course, you've got this add tile, the add option, so you can add specific icons, specific options which you need. So, for example, the calculator, notes. You can also have the browser, for example, but of course it will affect the saving abilities, let's say. Yes, and basically this is it. Here is the same, so you can either tap on add, or here you've got this edit icon. And if you wish to turn off the Ultra Power Saving mode, simply tap on this X button in the left upper corner. So no worries, obviously you can turn it off whenever you need to. Moreover, I've just shown you how to enter the Ultra Power Saving mode through the settings, but you can also do it using the control center. You can create a shortcut, so you can quickly just tap on this option. You won't have to go through the settings, and you will not lose the battery, obviously, because it still consumes the energy, right? So all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, the control center. Then let's go to edit, and here scroll down to find the option Ultra Battery Saver. Let's tap on this plus icon. Your device will automatically add it to this first section, so tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And now if you wish to turn on the power saving mode, the Ultra one, simply tap on this icon and your device will immediately power it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.